I'm April Sawtell and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you a quick little haul I just went on. I needed a few items for my sewing room and let me show you what I got. I'll leave links below of everything I bought here. These I bought on Amazon and these are an 8-piece fabric tailor's markers for sewing. There's 2 colors. They're a mark and chalk pencil for fabrics, quilting tracing tools. They say that they're water soluble. Let's see if these really work. It says dressmaking pencil. They're really short. I don't mind though, they were really inexpensive. So if they work, I'm gonna be really happy. So we'll make a smiley face and my little signature swoosh. We'll do it with white. There they are. Okay, let's see if these really work. Let's put this to the test. So it shows that you put these in the laundry and it comes right out, but I want to try this with an iron and I want to try it to see what happens because I don't want to have to put this in the laundry. I just want it to come right off after I make my mark. Okay, so blue one isn't budging. The white one has come off. I see a little trace of it. Let's see if I can get rid of the whole trace. All right, I do not see the white one, but I do see whole outline of where it was. Oh, I see it. It is still there. Let me spray some water on it and see if that does the trick. All right, guys. This is a big fail for me. I still see the outline of the white one. Okay, let's forget about those markers. Definitely, these are not doing the trick for me. Yes, they probably will come out in the laundry, but that's too many steps for me. So I'm going to put fail for these. Okay, so I bought these Mr. Pen fabric markers for, they say that they're for sewing. It's a 5-pack blue erasable water-soluble fabric markers. All right, now the marker I typically use, I can just put my iron to and it comes right off. Let's see if these live up to it. So I love the blue marker that I have, but I only have one and it's expensive to have more. I'd like to have them all around my sewing room. So I wanted to just try these Mr. Pens out. Let's hope they work. I'm going to experiment on a little corner here because when I did it to that other piece of fabric, I wasted a big piece that it didn't come off from. I guess if I try washing it, but that's a lot of steps to experiment with. Okay, let's just draw another smiley face here. And my little swoosh. And I'm going to do two of them with my swoosh. Right now I can see that it runs quite a bit. So let's just hope this really comes off. These say Mr. Pen water erasable pen. Put my iron on it. Nope. This fails. Put some water. Oh. Look, I'm putting water on it. It's going away. Okay. Oh, I'm so happy about that, you guys. That worked. I don't see any trace of that at all. I'm going to do that again. And I'm going to look at this really good. Nope, I don't see anything. Oh no. Oh my goodness, you guys, I got it all off and then it came back on. Here, I don't want to get that on my ironing pads, so let's fold this over. How did that happen? All right, take it off. It's still there. Let's spray it again. Gone. Let's not use the iron. It's gone. Completely gone. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave that one there. I'm going to draw some more over here. So now I can experiment. If I don't touch it again with the iron, but what are the chances? I'm always going to be ironing. So I'm going to draw a smiley face here and a smiley face here and some swishes. This is the side that I am not touching. It's not touching it. Okay, I definitely don't like that. The marker I use comes off right as soon as the iron touches it. Okay, let's spray them. Gone. All right, let's give that a minute. It's gone. No traces of it. But watch this. I'm going to come back and hit it again with the iron. And it looks like it might be coming back. And there it is. Oh goodness, that's a little bizarre. Still no traces of it with the fabric wet. All right, I'm gonna leave this one just for fun, and I'm gonna see if this actually comes back. I'm not gonna touch it again with the iron. I know touching it with the iron brings it back. Let's see what happens. It really doesn't matter to me now though, because it's still a fail for me, because I'm always gonna touch it with the iron. I am a great big presser, so I need whatever marking tool I'm gonna use, I need it to come off when I touch it with the iron. If it's gonna come back on and I have all these marks all over it, I am gonna be seeing them. And it even ran through to the other side, if you can see that. I can return both of these and buy one good one, right? So okay, these are gonna go back. Such a bummer. I thought for sure this was gonna work. Now again, this may not come back. I'll let you know here in a few minutes when this is all dry. But regardless, like I said, I press way too much and it's all gonna show back up as soon as I hit it with the iron. That's a big no for me. We'll let that dry. I use the Dritz Mark Be Gone, and usually it's $7.96, and right now I just looked, it's $3.27. I just put 4 in my cart. If you want to order them through my site, I'm going to put the link below. I will get a small commission for that. And we're going to move right on and talk about Mr. Penn Tailor's Chalk. Now, I use a lot of Tailor's Chalk. That's really my real preference, what I draw on my fabric with. These are Mr. Penn Tailor's Chalk, and they came in a little styrofoam packet, but I'm gonna just take them out and put them in a drawer. So, I bought these because I'm right down to just a couple of pieces. I think when I bought them years ago, I bought 4, and I don't know, they're just little crumbles now. So, I wanted a new set. I got 8 Tailor's Chalks, and I paid $5.85. And I'm pretty certain I'm going to be happy with these. So we're going to take these out of the package. I really don't know what brand I got the last time, but I'm pretty certain these are going to work great. So we'll put these right in the drawer. This is what I have left of my old Tailor's Chalk, right down there. I can still see the marks, still no marks on the wet side, and it's still wet. I got 4 of these box cutters at Home Depot for $4.97. I couldn't resist that deal. These are going to come in really handy. These will make a real good tool in my sewing room. I had some before that I got at the Dollar Tree. I wasn't able to find those again, and I decided when I saw those for $4.97, I decided to get them. I certainly don't need 4 of them, so I figured I'd get 4 for $4.97 and I'd share them. I also got these anvil box cutters at Home Depot, $4.97 for a package of 4. They're really heavy duty, and I'll be able to share those too. And they'll just make a great tool in my sewing room. They were actually on my shopping list, both of them. One thing that I'm really excited to have is I got some aprons. I like wearing aprons because I get covered with sewing threads, as most of you probably do too. I just haven't learned yet to dress so the threads fall off. They always get embedded on me. So I went and I bought this big package of aprons because I had some ideas in mind. I got a 15-piece set, and they're all beautiful colors. Now, they're probably really cheap, but they're going to do the trick for me. So it was called a 15-piece Amerigo adult apron set. And I'll just hold some of these up for you. Okay, here they are. So they're just a basic apron, and they have a pocket in them. It's a slippery material. You know, they're just not cotton. I have some cotton ones that I've made, but the problem is they never match what I'm wearing. So I wanted to kind of match. So I thought it'd be fun to get some plain ones. So I just bought them. They were $34.99 for 15 pieces, but there's every color of the rainbow there plus. Just look at those pretty colors. So because I have burgundy on, I will try this burgundy one on. They're all adjustable. So they're adjustable. They just have thin little straps on them, but they're really long. I was kind of concerned about that because some reviews I had seen on some aprons, they said that they ran really small. These don't. They're just regular size. One size fits most. And there's plenty of room back here. And it covers me, and it's perfect, and it's got a pocket. For the money, it was definitely worth it. I'd like to put my logo or something on here. I'm also looking for logo stickers. So I'm going to be looking into that. If you know of anybody that you would recommend where I could go get some logos made up, let me know in the comments. And it's very comfortable. And best of all, I won't be covered with thread all over the front of me anyway. I'll still have to use the lint roller, but I won't be covered in the front of me, and that's where it's the worst. The blue marker definitely isn't going to work for me. It didn't show back up on here, but it's dry and I'm afraid to iron it because if I iron it, then I'm going to get it back. And I don't want to do that like I said before. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. And please, if you do know somebody that can make stickers or make patches or something with my logo, don't forget to leave me a comment on that. Thank you. Say bye, little Miss Reddy Thready.